Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your laptop constantly hanging, freezing, or becoming super slow and unresponsive? You're trying to work, browse, or game, and suddenly everything just stops? Super frustrating, right? Don't worry. Today, I'm sharing two super simple keyboard tricks that fix most laptop hanging problems in literally seconds. No software downloads, no restarts needed in most cases. These work great on Windows 10 and Windows 11 laptops. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Reset your graphics driver instantly. This is my personal favorite when the screen freezes, glitches, or the whole system hangs because of graphics/driver issues, which happens a lot on laptops. All you have to do is press this magic key combination. Windows key plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Yes. Hold down the Windows key, Ctrl and Shift together, and then tap B once. What happens next? Your screen will go black or blink for 1 to 3 seconds, and then boom, it comes right back. The graphics driver resets instantly, and in most cases, the freezing or hanging stops immediately. Why does this work? This shortcut restarts the graphics driver without rebooting your entire laptop. It's built into Windows, perfect for display freezes, black screens, or when your cursor stops moving properly. Try it next time your laptop hangs. It's saved me so many times. Method 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Okay, Method 2 is perfect when your taskbar disappears, desktop icons freeze, File Explorer crashes, or the whole interface feels stuck, even if the mouse still moves a little. Here's what to do. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This opens Task Manager directly, even if your laptop is partially frozen. Now in Task Manager, scroll down the Processes tab until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Watch what happens. Your taskbar and desktop will disappear for a second, then refresh and come back fresh. This restarts the Windows shell without closing your other programs. Super quick fix for UI freezes, slow desktop response, or when right-clicking stops working. Pro tip: if Task Manager doesn't open with Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, try Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete first, then choose Task Manager from the menu. Both methods take under 10 seconds, and they fix 70 to 80% of random laptop hanging issues without needing a full restart. So next time your laptop starts acting up, try these two shortcuts first. Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B for graphics-related freezes. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape arrow. Restart Windows Explorer for desktop/taskbar hangs. If the problem keeps coming back again and again, drop a comment below. It might be time to check for driver updates, overheating, or low RAM. Hit that like button if this helped you, subscribe for more quick laptop fixes, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.
Junaid hacks in the zone, helping you fix on your own. Debug the code, watch it home, step by step. We break it down from the script all the way to the crown. Like, share, subscribe, don't slack. More tips coming back to back.